Hi, this is Colin. I'm doing my first unboxing video, so to speak, and we're gonna be unboxing the Eon vertical vinyl record player. I don't normally buy new record players, but this one sort of intrigued me because you can mount it on your wall or play it flat. Wall mounted or tabletop, it says. So just see what's in here, I guess. Sorry, I gotta do this with one hand or the other. It's gonna be kind of shaky. Oh, bunch of stuff fell out. There we go. There it is, right there. So here, it's battery operated. Take this out. Four AA batteries. The wall screws. I won't be showing that maybe on another video, but I don't think I have time. We'll see. Here we go. We can get it out of its packaging. There it is, the Eon. This, I think, is for screwing down your album, I think, when it's on the wall. I take it that's what that's for. And twist tie on the tone arm. Let's leave that locked for now. And all of these usually have a little plastic cover covering the needle. Side there must be a battery compartment somewhere, and there it is. Let's see, how do we open this? There we go. And let's see if we can get some batteries in there. Sorry, I gotta get the plastic off the batteries here. Good thing I have long fingernails. Sorry, I'm trying to get Trying to get the plastic off this with one hand is no easy feat. And there, and see if we can pop the battery thing back on. Turn it over. What do we have here? It's got 33 and 45 settings. I think I'm going to put it on 33 for now. And pop off the little thing. And this must be volume and power. Nope, it's not. Well, it's one of those that start and stop when you move the arm back and forth. And let's see. We'll put on old time radio. Try one of those. know what song's gonna come on because I didn't check to see what side I put on, but we'll just try it out.
Not all of radio's entertainers were of the rock'em sock'em school. Long before somebody coined the phrase low-pressure comedian, radio had its easygoing, down-to-earth humorists who knew how to bide their time on the way to a punchline.
That's on its highest volume level. Sorry. We will try it on its 45 setting. I got a little pile of 45s here. We'll put that on. A little 45 adapter. There you go, that's the 45. When it's cold out. But this is part 1, because supposedly you can mount this on your wall. It's got 2 holes in the back, and it will play sideways like that, and I'll show that in another video. Thank you. This is Colin, over and out.